So I found out about McCain at a career fair at school, and as I was learning about the company, I learned at the time every 1 in 3 fries is made by McCain. So that was I found this something that I wanted to be a part of. Being at McCain, it's been cool to get integrated into the community here. We got a lot of people coming together and making it happen really.
McCain definitely has a culture of making sure everyone is seen and heard here. I think it's super important and a good note to make that McCain is continually investing, making a point to hire women in leadership roles and even in the maintenance department where that hasn't been the case so much in the past. A big part of McCain's culture in the last couple of years has been making it a point to invest back into our community and doing volunteer work at areas of the community and making sure that the community who supports us know that we also in turn want to support them too.
There's been so many opportunities for growth here. I think one of the coolest things is, within one company, I've got a lot of different career paths that have potential. There's so many different departments that go into making just a French fry you would never think of.
I would say that there's enough opportunity here to learn and grow, that if you are excited about taking on new challenges and you want bigger projects and you want to excel in your craft, that you could spend time here at McCain.